And welcome to another episode by CDBTC. Bitcoin just did something super mega bullish. If you want to hear about this, stick around. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and how bullish it is right now. We'll also talk about Ethereum and of course, some of the alts. Let's start off with Bitcoin. On the weekly, Bitcoin closed the week by touching the 21 weekly moving average. And we've had a very strong open with Bitcoin already moving above the 21 weekly moving average, which we would believed would be a very tough resistance to break. But so far, Bitcoin has just sliced through it. In terms of the stock RSI and the RSI, it's curving up nicely. We had a cross. Bitcoin looks very, very healthy right now. The next price targets for Bitcoin, in my opinion, in the next few weeks, I'm not saying days, in the next few weeks, is going to be $55,000. And this also coincides with the next areas of trading where a lot of the Bitcoin was traded. So you can see that we have gone from the $34,000 area, which is the point where Bitcoin was traded a lot, and we're going through this area where little Bitcoin was traded. So I expect us to move rather quickly through here, and then we're going to get to the $56,000 area, which is my target price for the next key strong resistance level. And that's where we might get maybe a rejection where we have a deeper correction, and then Bitcoin is going to continue on its way up. There are few moments in time where you can say it's relatively safe to buy Bitcoin here and get some interesting upside. And this is one of those moments. After we consolidated in this area for almost 3 months, and we are finally been able to break through these tough resistance levels, horizontal and diagonal, as well as key MAs, I can say that the next months are going to be super bullish for Bitcoin. So this is one of those moments in time where you have to analyze if you're going to take a decision to jump in, if you haven't, because you're going to be able to probably achieve very, very important life-changing gains. On the 1 day, we can see that Bitcoin is just breaking through the 200 daily MA, which is also a key level of support or resistance. In this case, it served as resistance for 1 and 2 days, but we just broke through. So what I would like Bitcoin to do is see the price increase, then retest this MA and convert it into support. And just as we've been going through the past few days, we've been taking it step by step, baby steps. And that's the key of being successful in this market. On the daily, we had a little bit of worry because we were seeing this bearish divergence forming. We were seeing the price going up, but the RSI going down. Bitcoin is basically breaking that behavior right now because the RSI in this level is at least peaking at the same height as the last one. So we didn't have a lower RSI. So that was positive that we broke that bearish indicator. Now let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum is also looking super bullish, very, very bullish. The indicators also show great strength on Ethereum. We can see how the alpha trend is already starting to turn green. We have 2 buy indicators, 2 buy signals. And when we look at this, remember on my last video, I said that if you were able to get to buy Ethereum just below $3,000, and I even mentioned 2,900 something. Yesterday, you had the opportunity to get that price, and you would already be in profit by 10% if you're not using leverage. And if you're crazy to use leverage, well, you could have 30, 40, 50, 100% depending on the leverage you use. But yesterday was a great entry. Ethereum was able to give it to us. And for those that took the opportunity, congratulations. As you can see, Ethereum is still battling this $3,100, $3,200 area. It's definitely been very strong resistance. But once we break through, I expect us to go quickly and try to test the $3,500 area. So that's going to be another 10% gain. But Ethereum is definitely looking strong. You can see how we were traveling in this channel, descending channel, and then we just broke through, and we been able to come back into this ascending channel, which we will probably be retesting the top area, which will probably act as resistance. So $3,200 is the next price target. With the altcoins excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, so we're excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Other indicators keep Ethereum in there. I'm just excluding it. And we can see that the altcoins have also been having a little nice run for themselves. So 13% up from this area and 31% up from not that tippy bottom, but from the moment that I started telling you that this would be the second best opportunity you could have gotten to buy alt, cheap alt, if you didn't get them in 2020. So after the alts, the huge run up they had, this was the second best opportunity you'll ever have to get them cheap. And alts are going to go on a huge run in the next few months. You're going to be surprised. A lot of people are probably going to say, but they already went 20, 30, 40x. How are they going to go something or have a harder run? They will. They will. And if you're able to get into a position right now, you're still not late. The alts are coming up against the 100 daily MA. They're battling, they're trying to pass it, and there's also this area of resistance at $618 billion. But once we push through, we'll quickly move on up. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Have a great day. If you want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other crypto with a credit card or debit card, you can use CEX. I also recommend using Xcoins. These are two of my favorite places to buy crypto. They are super easy to use, secure, and accessible for most parts of the world.